Hi guys!
Hi.
Today we're making a vitamin C face toner, which is really cool, and it's super easy. Some of the ingredients we're going to use today is lavender essential oil, some green tea, and some vitamin C powder, which we got at Whole Foods. You can get anywhere. Let's make this DIY.
Yay.
So what we did is we got green tea, just regular green tea bag, and we let it seep for 5 minutes, and then I put it in the refrigerator to make sure that it's fully cooled down, because obviously you don't want to put any hot liquids on your face. And we're gonna add, so this is about half a cup of green tea. We're gonna add, I usually let Nora do this, but she gets a little excited and aggressive. So we're gonna add about 5 drops of lavender essential oil. And be careful because it can get really smelly. It's like very strong, the scent. 2.
Oh,
3.
there was like 5 in there. We're good.
Okay, and we're gonna add half a teaspoon of vitamin C powder. If you have the vitamin C pills, you can actually just take it and crush it up and turn it into a powder, so it makes it easier to get it into this form. We're gonna mix it really well. Wait for like the powder to kind of like dissolve into our liquid, and we're gonna put it in an airtight little container. If you have like a little spray bottle, that'll probably work best, I would say, because then you could just spray the toner on your face, be done with it. Or if you have something like this, then you can put it on like a cotton swab and use it as a toner. But this is going to be really good for your face because obviously vitamin C is great for your skin, and so is green tea. Okay, our mixture is ready to go, so I'm going to put it in our little container, and in the meantime, maybe Nora can tell you guys what our giveaway is!
Yay! So it's Amazing Cosmetics, which I love their brand. Line Smoother and Primer, you guys.
Oh my god, such a great giveaway. So in order to win our giveaway,
you need to be subscribed to our channel, you need to like the video, and leave a comment below with suggestions for upcoming DIYs.
Yes! Whoop, whoop. Okay, so we have our little toner in our container. So you can just kind of like keep this as it is. You can use it to apply with your fingertips or with cotton swab. And some of the benefits of vitamin C. So
vitamin C and green tea are both anti-inflammatory. Vitamin C is actually really good because it boosts collagen. It's anti-aging. It has anti-aging effects.
Okay, cool.
And then green tea helps combat oily skin.
Yes, which is amazing because I have oily skin.
Yeah, and it combats oily skin and helps with acne, because when you have oily skin, you're more prone to acne.
Yes, it reduces acne and blackheads.
So there's a lot of benefits to this toner to make it and just keep it around in your bathroom.
I feel like some toners are so expensive. Like, I recently paid like $49 for the one from Fresh.
Sucker.
And it's like, okay, yeah, it's a great toner, but I mean, if you can make small batches at home and have fresh toner all the time, and you know exactly what's in it, then why wouldn't you make it?
That's the thing when you're making fresh toner at home. There is an expiration date on them, so I highly don't recommend keeping it around after about 2 to 3 months.
Yeah.
Depending on the formula.
And listen, you can just make small batches and make a fresh one every month. Why not?
Yeah,
you know?
I mean, you watch enough of our DIYs, guys.
Yeah.
You know which ones that are good for you. You know which ones that affect you. So you should go along and make them as we do.
And in case you didn't know, after you wash your face, that's when you should put the toner on, because it'll really clear up your skin and what residue is left. And then moisturize and get your sunblock on, and you're ready to
go. All right, you guys, we will see you next time. Hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye.